Hello, today I want to talk about a really cool product that I use. It's Jouer Cosmetics High Pigmented Lip Glosses. And this particular shade that you see in front of you is Fifth Avenue. Jouer Cosmetics is a major cosmetic brand. They have a variety of liquid lipsticks, which are matte formula. They have pressed powders such as eyeshadows, highlighters, blushes, things like that. This line of high pigment lip glosses is fairly new. I see a lot of cosmetic brands coming out with lip glosses. We're starting to move a little bit away from the liquid matte lipstick, and ladies are wanting to wear glosses again. So this is a really great product that I'm excited to talk about, because if you're looking for a good lip gloss that's not going to smudge or smear and is going to still give you a good pigment, these are actually really great to use. So Jouer comes in, their signature vial is this square top, the square vial with the square top. You can tell that it's a high pigmented lip gloss with this due to the gold band. Usually their other liquid lipsticks don't have that gold band. It's the same color as the top, and so you know that it's one of the high pigmented lip glosses because of the band. Here at the bottom you're going to see their shade label, which is also square, and the name here for this particular shade is Fifth Avenue. Just so you can get a good idea of how tall the vial is. It's nowhere near as tall as this ink pen. It's very short, which is awesome because that means that it's portable. You can put it in your pocketbook, you can put it in your makeup bag. It's tiny, it's not going to take up that much space. With a lip gloss, it is going to transfer and is going to kind of dissolve throughout the day. So after eating, you're going to want to reapply this. So that's perfect size for a product like that, because you can kind of throw it in the bag and take it with you. Now the vial is made of hard plastic, it's not glass, so it's not going to break. And so is the top here. This is a metallized collar, which is nice. It just adds a little bit of a nice accent, which I like. So just so you can get a good idea, so again, this is a lip gloss. It is very pigmented, which is great. It's not a lipstick. It's not going to behave as a lipstick. So again, you're going to have to reapply this. It is going to smudge and smear throughout the day, but it does stay put very well. I've used this for a while now, and it is really good. So Fifth Avenue is one of the nude colors, and as you can see, the wand is very short. I'm going to apply it lightly, but it's a great brush. You can see that it's angulated, so you can fill your lip in here with the flat part, and you can line it with this part, the tip here. This is a really great brush. I'm not an expert at applying lipstick. Sometimes I make a little bit of a mess. I get it around my mouth or my teeth, so this kind of helps me to prevent that. The only thing that I can say is that the cap is a little bit short. You're going to want to hold it correctly so you don't risk the chance of getting any product on your fingers. You're going to have to hold it with your fingertip. But since it is such a petite wand, you're not going to really have too much trouble. Just hold it lightly and apply it to the lip as you normally would. So I just want to swatch it for you so you can get a good idea of the formula and of the shade. So I just did one smooth move there. You can see that it does look glossy. It's not going to dry matte. It's going to stay like this on my arm, but it is very pigmented. It almost looks as if it is a lipstick, but again, it's not. It's going to move around your mouth throughout the day. Just keep that in mind. It's not going to dry. It's going to stay glossy like that. But one swipe from this wand gave me a very good amount of product, as you can see here on my arm. It's very pigmented. It's all brown. It's not a transparent lip gloss at all, and that's what I love about it. It gives the appearance of a lipstick, but it still gives you that same luster, shine effect as a lip gloss would, and I really appreciate that. Jouer's fragrance is really nice. It's like a vanilla flavor. It tastes really good, and it smells really good. It's not too overpowering. It's very gentle, very light, and I appreciate that. They use the same fragrance as all of their lips, so it's that fragrance across the board. I always appreciate that particular fragrance. It's really light, very sweet. If I'm going to go for any type of taste or flavored cosmetic, it's going to be a vanilla. So it was a really good choice on their part. So this particular product comes in a variety of different shades. It comes in pinks, it comes in reds, it comes in nudes. This one is Fifth Avenue. This is a nude color, and as you can see, it was kind of like a charcoal brown. Really, really beautiful. Glides on really smooth. It stays smooth on your lips. You can still rub it in, you know, between your lips throughout the day. It's not an all-day wear. However, it does last. Even if a little bit rubs off, because it's so pigmented, you'll still see the pigment on your lips. It just may not have that luster or that shine. This is definitely something that you're going to want to reapply. The good part is it comes in a small vial, so you can take it with you. It's hard plastic. It's not glass. You're not going to break it. You can toss it in your clutch if you're going out, or in your wristlet. It's not going to take up any space. And that is the best part about this product. Jouer has a variety of different products. They also carry a liquid to matte lip in the same type of vial. Those are really, really great as well. So again, this is Fifth Avenue. There's reds, there's pinks. There's a shade for every woman, which I love. Now again, this is not transfer proof. You're going to see it on your cup. You're going to see it on your straw. So just keep that in mind. Don't be alarmed if, you know, the product's kind of coming off. It's not meant to be an all-day wear. It's not a stay all-day product. It is a gloss, and with any lip gloss, you know that it is transferable, and it does have a little bit of slip. The only thing about this particular formula, because as you can see here on my arm, it's still there and it's not melting, it's not running, but you do still have that luster and that shine, but it stays pretty well. And so that's the way it's going to stay on your lip. It's going to look supple, it's going to look moist, it's not going to run, it's thick, as you can see, and I only did just one swipe. You're not going to have to use a lot of it, so the small vial shouldn't be a worry for you because you're not going to go through that much of the product. But again, it's definitely worth it. I hope this was helpful for you. If you're looking for a lip gloss, I would definitely go for this one.